What is up, everybody? We got a G body. Just looks like it got pulled off the dirt track at Boot Hill Raceway. Check this bad baby out. Sorry, J Boogie. But anyway, look at this diamond in here, though. Got a killer little LS engine in it. Sorry about the background noise over here, making money with robots, the old-fashioned way. But we got a Monte Carlo SS with a Tick Performance air water, Holly, high ram. Actually, it's the low ram. Got a hooker little log manifold crossover setup. Got a VS turbo right here, straight from the boys over in China. Got a little tubing. Wait on a few things from the customer. And we're gonna order some material, but I already have some stuff in stock. I have a Maven mount, which I'm about to mount this turbo up. And from there, I might have enough material to run from this V-band to this V-band, because it is a V-band inlet turbo. And see if we can get that done. Maven mount, the hot side with the wastegate welded up. And then from there, I'm gonna need some stuff from the customer to continue, because he just dropped the car off. I sent him a little list over of some things we're gonna need. So as soon as I get that from him, we're gonna finish it up. It's gonna be a quick little build, so I'm gonna do a video of it so I don't get too distracted. You can see right here, G-body, baby. Real quick, we're gonna do a little shameless plug for my other business. Streetcar Fabrication, best to ever do it. That's just a joke, by the way, people, because I'm brand new at machining. However, we have a 30-year-old mill out here just trying to do it. Got 5 sets of LS valve covers, low profile, milled up. Our own design, something out of the ordinary. I think it's pretty slick. So we got some sets of those. Also, we got the streetcar fab flanges. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Got her going in here though. It gets hung up sometimes. Working on some new stuff, some new throttle body merges. This is, if you haven't seen another one of my videos, this is one of the things that we make right here. Streetcar Fabrication. It's a dual or single, divided or open, T3, T4, T6. We also do T100, which is those big Pro Mod turbos. You see the 144 millimeter Hartz turbos. Do a lot of that stuff. Do some custom work. I have a few things coming up. Got some tall valve covers. We're gonna do some Godzilla valve covers. Got some over there to model out of. We're gonna do some big block Chevrolet. My good old buddy Rick, he likes all that big block stuff. We got another truck coming for him, old square body we're gonna do. Same thing as the race boat. Big block, twin turbo, Holly EFI. Just copy and paste. All right, so what I got right here is I've got the Maven mount kind of mocked up where I want it. I had the turbo kind of resting on some stuff. Made some marks. No good in the video. Hopefully you can hear me over that mill running. We got the turbo flange, or the turbo mount, welded up. And I got a couple pieces just laying in here right now. Literally, like, just barely. Had that balance just perfect. A couple scrap pieces actually. This is just leftover remnants while I wait on materials. But this is gonna knock out the hot side. I'm gonna get this tacked up and add the wastegate to it and weld it out. I've been so used to not filming stuff that I did not set the camera up while filming this. It's actually been quite some time since I welded some stainless, because I've been doing all the mill work, and my bottle is getting a little low, so the back purge is not perfect. It's not sugared, but the color ain't right. But doesn't look half bad. This one turned out real nice, real consistent. Just trying to get back in the groove of things. If the quality in the video is any nicer, just got a new phone too, so that's gonna help. I like that. Pops right in there. It's gonna be somewhere. Look at that. Perfect. It's gonna be somewhere right around in there. Got the other piece, the 90 with the V-band's gonna come up. And we're gonna throw one of those 45s in there as well. Got our first little piece and that piece. I knew those were gonna have to be a certain way. And this is actually a 45 and a little piece of straight I had mocked up for a different turbo build. And so what I'll do sometimes if I have a whole bunch of material is leave a little straight tack to a 45 and just throw it in the extra bin, because situations like this will occur and I'll need a little straight on a piece of a 45. And so I'm actually been running low on materials, so until I can order everything for Jay, this is actually gonna work out for me really nicely. I'm gonna get these 3 joints welded up. We already got those 3 joints welded. Once that's done, I can plumb the wastegate in. So I got this all welded out. Got the HD clamp welded to the throttle body. What I have now is a tight radius 4-inch that I'm gonna put right here. Just got done putting the hot bottle on. Gonna take those 2 later, get changed out. And I gotta figure out this little piece of a bend to make it straight into that. I'll weld those 2 pieces up, put the blow-off valve on it. So I've said this a lot on some of my videos. I weld the blow-off valve on, the blow-off valve flange on first, and then I'll take a hole saw bit that fits perfect inside here and drill this out and just run my deburr tool in there. And most of the time you can reach up in there and make sure it's all good and deburred, but it makes it way easier than having a butt weld. Another day in the shop with the mill running. You can't hear jack diddly. About to scab the wastegate in right here. And we're going to take a 90-degree pipe, turn it straight, but 45 this way. I'm going to put a 45 right here It's basically looking like that way. We're gonna run straight. We're gonna 45, go up right here. That's what we're doing with the downpipe. So you're gonna have a 4-inch and a 2.5 running side by side. You kick out on a 45 and it kind of be oval. Don't have the hood, so I'm just gonna put it right up here somewhere. It's gonna look pretty darn good. I hate crap up here. I like these two. End up lining up with each other. That's pretty neat. A little straight pipe in there. Run those together, that'd be pretty cool. But I have to do that tomorrow, it's too late. I'll line this sucker up right here. Try to line it parallel with the fender and 45 up to come straight out. I got that sucker gonna look real close to the same. So we've got the downpipe built minus the O2 sensor. I'm gonna mock up the wastegate dump tube real quick. We got this 90. I'm gonna put a little piece of straight pipe in there and then have a 45 to match this 45. And then we're gonna run up with a piece of straight. Put another 45 right here and a little piece of straight next to that one. I don't know if I'm gonna time lapse this one, but I will definitely show y'all when I got it done. The turbo kit is finished up. All I have left to do is just call the customer, let them know it's time to come pick it up. And this is one of those builds where they just kind of tell me to do whatever I want to. And so, this is just, you know, if it was mine, this is how I'd build it. Which the customer, Jay, he supplied the log manifold setup. It's already on it. So we built from the log manifold bottom, it's the Holly setup, up to the turbo. We did the Maven mount, mounted the turbo, plumbed the wastegate in. This is the wastegate dump. This is the downpipe. This is the charge pipe, blow-off valve. So yeah, it's ready to go now. I ran out of 2.5 material for some reason. I have no idea. And so he didn't bring the hood over. I don't know if he's gonna put the hood on it. So I'm gonna offer to him that if he wants to bring it back with the hood on it, and I can extend this pipe out. But for now, they have a lot of work they could be doing instead of waiting on me. So he needs to get a catch can. He needs to do fuel lines, reconfigure the accessory bracket because the spacing is off on some of the stuff. Wire it, and just some other stuff. Looks like it needs injectors still. Yep, it needs injectors still. It needs water lines. It needs a lot, but it's got a good start and looks good. Bring you around here and let you see it. I can step back a little bit. Different, you know. Try to do different things, different projects. So you got the turbo feeds right into the throttle body because you get the air to water intercooler from Tick Performance. There we go, there's the quality. Got a new phone, playing with the settings and stuff. One thing I did mess up is I normally try to make all the welds the same direction. Just that one's going that way, that one's going that way, that way, that way, and these three are going this way. I welded those joints out on the bench, and then when I came and tied these pieces in, I accidentally welded them the wrong direction. And then I didn't order any 2.5-inch straight tubing for some reason, so this is some stuff I already had. Some Vibrant J-bends and stuff like that. I just cut the legs off the J-bends, because this piece would normally come, turn, and then a 180 with this piece on the end of the 180. So I just cut the 180 out of it basically. But the wastegate is got super good priority. So the exhaust is gonna come up and kind of be hitting this back radius before it turns into the turbo. So the wastegate's gonna look, it looks good. It's gonna get good exhaust priority. Turned out pretty nice. Just a simple, short little setup. I did have to, because I anticipate he's gonna get the hood on it. I don't know what he's gonna do about the throttle body and the intake manifold sticking up, because I know a high ram on these cars, you have to cut the hood a little bit if it's a flat hood. He's gonna do a cow hood. It will clear all right. So I wanna make sure the turbo was gonna sit low enough. So to do that, I had to kind of trim just a little bit. There was actually, doesn't look like I should have had to trim this, but there's like a hump inward right here. So I trimmed it, and it's really not sticking out too much past where the fender liner would have been, so the tire's not really gonna be affected by it. But that's what we got for now, and turned out pretty good. I like it a lot. Hope Jay does. You can see turbo is gonna get some good air, especially if for any reason he wants to take this headlight out right here. Man, it'd just be like a super straight shot of air into the turbo. So that's gonna be all the work I'm gonna do to this one for now. I'm going to get a video, hopefully, of Jay and Leon picking this car up tomorrow morning. Well, today it's like Friday. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning, I guess. I haven't even sent Jay a picture of any of this, so he doesn't even know what it looks like. I wanted to kind of do a complete surprise, reaction type video and see how that turns out.
I'll climb on top of that.
They fast,
Oh yeah. Damn. What happened to the tractor flap? Where is that, Taylor? What the tractor flap?
Man.
What do you think?
I love it, man. I love it, dog.
Good.
So when the hood go on, you can just chop that off like that. Whenever you get to the level of where it's gonna be, you chop it off. It's gonna be flat. It's gonna be dope.
Oh yeah.
But we gotta put the tractor flap on it though.
I'm not putting no tractor
Yes,
flap.
I bought you.
Leon, we saved that
What?
for your car.
Oh, okay, well, that's fine then. I'm fine with tractor flap.
Oh,
my bad.
All right, we're gonna get an outro for the YouTube video. What do you think about it, Jay?
It's a piece of shit.
Hey, it makes Leon's look like a raggedy piece of junk. Huh?
Exactly, man.
Yeah.
Exactly. I love it, man.
Yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see y'all on the next one.